Hi guys, I'm Robin. The last 5 years, I've worked as a designer and engineer in a few really cool 3D printing companies. I've printed more than 10,000 parts and trained some of the biggest companies on this planet. Technologies are faster, cheaper, and more accessible than ever. Strange enough, only a few people really know how to use these technologies to create new designs and applications. This is such an exciting industry, and there are so many opportunities to create serious money without investments, employees, or even an office. When you truly understand how 3D printing works and can be applied, you can set up a business anywhere, with a laptop and a good idea. My passion is sharing knowledge, and I started this company to share everything I've learned. I have all the content, designs, and an online platform. Now I need your help to fund the project. With funding, I can fully focus on creating training material to give you the tools you need to start up your company. To thank you for your support, you get the first course, 3D Printing for Entrepreneurs, for a highly discounted price. Only the first 100 backers will get a 40% discount. Back this project now, and let's take the first step together to a smart and profitable 3D printing company. Thank you for watching.